Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix camera shutter lag in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option app management. Now click on it and then click on app list. Now scroll down and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and then click on storage and cache. Now here you can clear the cache memory of camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back and click on my phone. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and scroll down and click on system and then scroll down and click on reset phone. Now again click on reset and then click on erase all data. After erase all the data, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.